maybe going on out there right now. There's a few, but give me just a minute.
Al, we've answered the questions. There is nothing relative to the mechanics.
Good, thanks, Greg. The next PowerPoint I have just shows that I had a DVD that I was going to run that came with our high school book, but unless everyone actually had a copy with the baseball umpires guidebooks for high school umpires, unless everyone actually had a copy of the book, the DVD was pretty meaningless. And of course I didn't realize that until about 2 o'clock this afternoon, so I've been working diligently to try to put this together for you, and it may be a little rough. Hopefully we won't have very many errors in it. May have some spelling errors, but hopefully you'll all forgive me of that. But this is kind of give us some graphics of what's going on in a three-man crew. UIC has UIC foul up to the bag. This is obviously with nobody on. U1's going to take it to the right from the bag all the way to the right field line. U3 has it from the third base bag all the way to the left field line. I got to move some stuff on my screen so I can see. If U1 or U3 have to turn you back to make a fair foul call that's hit down the line, just go ahead and chase it. If it turns you back to the infield, that's pretty much a nonverbal communication signal to your partners that you're out. So just go on out, stay out, let the other two guys handle what's just happened. Any ball that is hit right at the bag, that is hit right at you, may blow you off the line. Could be a pop fly that's hit coming down right on top of your head. Make good eye contact with the plate man. Possibly give that call to the UIC to make sure that everyone's on the same page, so that we're both making the same call. Obviously, anything beyond the bag is U1 and U3's call, but if you've been blown off the line, you obviously need some help. It's good eye contact there, good timing will eliminate any possible disasters. Trouble ball coverage with nobody on and with a runner on third base. As we talked about earlier, we're pretty much going to treat a runner with third base. U3 is going to treat him as if he's not there. So trouble ball coverage in the outfield with no runners and runners on third. One now has his center fielder straight in, straight out. And if you go out, you can see the rotations that UIC and U3 are going to do accordingly. UIC is coming up the line for the possible back pick at first. U3 is just coming straight across in case that batter runner decides to move on in. You're also going to take the center fielder that is drifting to his right. Either for U1, go ahead and take that call. Unless he is making a beeline move and create possible fielders between this left fielder, at which U3 will go out on that. If it's a can of corn and he's drifting kind of toward that shortstop area or on the same angle back to his back, U1 go ahead and take that baseball in that situation. And obviously U1's taking any ball that's coming directly to the right field line. And as you can see, the movements by UIC and U3 are the same in all situations. U3 is going to take the trouble ball from the center fielder, moving hard to his right field, anything the left fielder is doing, all the way to the left field line. If the U3 goes out, You can see the appropriate movement. U1's coming in, doing his nice little button hook, taking the batter runner into second base. If he winds up going to third, all the way to third. UIC does not go to third in a two-man crew, and that's basically what we're in there when U3 is gone out. I know y'all are loving my graphics. I'm proud of them. Converging ball between the left fielder and center fielder. U3 is going out on that. U1 and UIC have the same movements that they had before. Pretty straightforward. If for any reason we need to tag, if you'll just chime in, stop me and back me up. Otherwise, I'm going to just keep moving. Fly ball coverage with a runner on first. Hang on one second. Thank you very much. Fly ball coverage with a runner on first. U1 has that center fielder straight in, straight out, all the way to the right field line. If he goes out, U3 comes over to the B position to take the tag at first, and then take that runner into second base. It does require movement from that C position to that hard B position to line that up, and then you follow that runner into second base. That's pretty straightforward. U3 has a small V, center fielder to the left fielder. We are not going out from the middle of the diamond here. We are going to stay in this position. Notice where I have U3 with a runner on first. Basically, you want to be toes on the grass and in the dirt, maybe a little more towards second base than I actually have him drawn there. And you've got him center fielder, left fielder. You've got the left fielder drifting to his right, unless that left fielder is making a move to the line and there's a possible fair foul call. U3 should go ahead and take that call. You're closer. You got a decent angle on it. Go ahead and take that call. Let UIC blow you off that call if he decides it's a fair foul and verbally tells you he's taking the baseball. U1 didn't move. There he goes. See, I had a little issue there. U1 should have lined that tag up and then is the call at second base. Left fielder going hard to left field. Hard to the left field line for a possible fair foul, catch, no catch on the line. That is a UIC call. And as you can see, he's moving down the line to make that call. U1 has moved to line up the runner on the tag. U3 has dropped back to be in position to make that call at second. Fly ball coverage with a runner at first and second. This is a screen that obviously is showing everybody. U1 has that center fielder going straight in, straight out, all the way to the right field line. Now I can appreciate my umpire movements here may not be quite as fast as my runners, but what is happening is when the ball is hit, U1 goes out, U3 moves over into the B position to take the tag, should end up the second base with a secondary read on the runner at first base. UIC moves up the line to take the call at third base on the advance. Hopefully I can get there a little quicker than that guy did. U3 has the small V and the left fielder drifting to his right. Again, U1 should be moving over. I don't have all my graphics working on the screen. I should be moving over to and then line up the runner that is advancing, and then should head on to home plate as this runner advances to third base. U1 should shadow him to the plate so that he is at the plate. If there's a back pick at first, it is U3's call. If there's a call play at second